Yeah.
You want another one for half off?
No.
Oh
my god, your hair is so pretty.
Thank you.
Gotcha, bitch!
I'll be right back.
So today's video, I'm hoping to give you guys a short little quick vlog. I have a couple of things I gotta do today. I'm going to be getting my lips done. As you guys can see, I look a hot mess right now. This is how I look when I wake up. Give y'all a little bit more personal, more, you know, you know, just a little lifetime vlog. I have some things on my agenda today. Let me check the time. It is 10 o'clock. I have to be at Laser Way at 12:30 because as you guys can read from the title, I'm getting my lips done again. You guys are probably gonna be like, girl, again? And I know people are gonna be like, girl, you literally just got done having 6 surgeries and you're still healing and you want to get more. Like, girl, I'm not addicted to plastic surgery. Once I got out of surgery, like, I had no lips, and that did come from, you know, the swelling process. But it has been a month since I got my facial feminization surgery, and my lips still look like white people lips. Knock on cap. So what I need to do is fill them out. Now, I got my lips done about 6 months ago from another clinic, and I'm not going to that clinic today because, quite frankly, I got some drama with them. And don't get me wrong, that clinic was everything, but like, girl, when you try to follow my man, which they did follow my man on Instagram afterwards, I went to the clinic 2 times, and the first time I got my lips done, and then the second time my significant other had got something done, and they decided to follow him on their personal page. They found it through my Instagram, through her personal page, not the you know, Instagram for the clinic and all that. So I was just like, oh, this bitch wanna try it. She wanna try it. So we will not be going to that place, even though they gave me some good results. I loved my lips. I got lips and Botox, but that has ran down because, like I said, it's been about 5-6 months since I got my lips done and my Botox done. So we are going to be going to Laser Way, Las Vegas. Laser Way is a well-known clinic. If you guys don't, you know the loop about surgeries, facials and all that stuff, Laser Way is the place to go. And I wanted to try it out. I know the Vegas location does have a good injector because I did research. Whenever you're doing surgery, research, girl, because you never know. But there is a good injector there that I really want to see, and hopefully I can see her. Sad that I don't live in LA because I know that the Laser Way in LA, like, they do a phenomenal job. Like, they get their things done. But I'm not about to travel just to get my lips done because that's just doing a mouse. But I just wanted to take it along the journey because I did document my FFS, and I did document my boob job. So with surgeries from here on out, I want to, you know, document them as much as I can and show y'all as much as I can because, quite frankly, like, girl, it's just a whole lot, girl. But I'm gonna get my ass, ooh, up. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'm looking all types of crazy right now, so I'm going to be getting ready for my appointment. I'm not going to be wearing makeup. I'm just going to do an eyebrow, pop on some lashes, probably some contacts. So I am now out of the shower. I still need to put on my slight brows, my mascara, my contacts, but I wanted to show you guys. Look what Dolls Kill has sent me. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff for recovery and just for Christmas and all that stuff. We have like so many trenches in here, like, oh my god. And then we got this mousse. Honestly don't know what I want to wear for my appointment because, like, what are you gonna wear to a lip appointment? The last time I went, I wore a dress when I went to the other place. We don't want to talk about that. So I'm just gonna find out what to wear, do my eyebrows, probably smoke a little bit, and then I'll catch you guys once I'm finally there. I just wanted to update you guys on what I'm doing right now because I just got out the shower and I'm looking kind of cute, but these lips are not looking cute. I did like a slight eyebrow. It's just like a little wash of makeup, and then I did my mascara. I need to get my eyelashes done because, you guys, I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, but now I'm gonna catch you guys once I get to the appointment. So we are in Town Square now. We are just looking for Laser Way. It's kind of gloomy and kind of cold. I didn't expect it to be like that. Oh my god, girl. And she's pregnant, girl. That's me. I cannot. If you guys ever come to Vegas, come to Town Square. It's really fun and really, really cute and kind of classy. So we made it to Laser Away. Let's go in. The place is so cute. They're doing the tree right now. My mom's right there. But super, super cute, super, super cozy. I really want to take pictures here, but I have no makeup on right now. Hold on, actually, let's go outside and talk. I'm just waiting for my appointment time. They're gonna be putting numbing cream on my lips just so they can get numb and ready for the injection. There's a few people in there, so that's why I had to step outside to talk to y'all, and I didn't want to, you know, cause a ruckus, girl, because I'm Uncle Ruckus, girl. Uncle girl, she said, hold on. Don't clock yourself before they clock you, girl. I should be getting some laser, girl. I'm at Laser Away. Let me find out. I'm really hoping they can do 1.5 syringes because I really want 2 syringes, but I don't know. I don't want to push it. Let's just see what I can get done. And I bit my lip today and there's a little bump on the inside and I'm like, oh. But yeah, I'm going to go in there and wait with my mom and then just get the numbing cream on and then we're going to get saddled up.
I'm gonna put it a little bit higher just because it kind of helps it like not be as uncomfortable.
They just applied the numbing cream and they're really, really nice and the place is really pretty. They offered hot coffee for my mom, but this is gonna stay on for 30 minutes just so I can get numb. I can already start feeling it, to be honest. It's just getting tingly and she got a little in my mouth, like on my braces, but that's fine. We're gonna get the hot coffee, turn on the TV and then watch something for 30 minutes and then we're gonna get to injecting.
Bottoms up, babe.
Period. So that's the hot coffee. Turn it and then it says Laser Away. Oh, they are so cute.
Right?
Now taste test it. Is it good?
I can't. It's super hot.
Just a little sip. Period. Watching the Real Housewives. You know, about to look like a real housewife. So we are running into some complications. They took off the numbing cream. Since I got surgery literally last month, they're like, I don't know if we can do lip fillers on you guys. Although the doctors in Korea said that I could get lip fillers already. So they might have to reschedule me for a later time, but I'm hoping and praying because my lips are completely numb right now and I can't feel them. I just want to get it over with. Like, I just want to get it over with. I don't want to have to reschedule. It's just like too much. But wow, look how festive Town Square is. Like, when I tell you, they got a Christmas tree, they got the music playing on. So I am back. Let me get my lights together. Actually, let's keep this lighting. So the gag is, as you guys can see, my lips are not changed yet. So they decided to tell me to reschedule my appointment because they weren't too sure that they could, you know, inject my lips because of my surgery. So they're waiting for an answer from some higher up of the company and they were trying to see if they were allowed to do that or if it just get a clearance so they can do it, but they were taking too long. It literally took 4 hours. Like, I got there at 12 and literally it's 3:40 right now. Yeah, 3:40 p.m. So yeah, no lip injections, not yet. So the vlog is still going to continue, but the next time you guys see me, it's gonna be a whole another day and we're gonna be doing the same thing that we did you know, today. You know, I'm gonna jump cut it to the day that I get the actual injections. So I will see you guys once, you know, I finally get my injections. Let's see if I can get an appointment on Monday or Tuesday, because no ma'am. And we are back. We're going to try again with this laser. Now I'm just waiting on my Uber because I am going alone this time. My mom's not gonna come with me, unfortunately. But I think I can just hold the camera while it's going on. My current OOTD is looking like this. Just a little, you know, just something slightly and politely for the doctor's appointment. You know, nothing crazy. But my Uber should be arriving soon. Liz, let's get into the car. Now I really regret not putting on lashes. I'm waiting on her to come bring the numbing cream and show her some examples of what I want, because you guys know I had lip injections about 5-6 months ago before I got my face done. You guys can see the swelling is still here, super swollen. You guys are gonna see in part 2. These scars are no ma'am and no Pam, and I didn't put makeup around here. I should get laser, but we're gonna deal with that later. Yeah. I'll catch you guys once I have the lip numbing cream on me. Girl, I'm looking like damn Pennywise. Oh shit, so now it's time for numbing. She said 15 minutes and the last time we did it for 30 minutes, so I'm kind of scared. Oh, give me a kiss.
I'm gonna outline the upper lip. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, so I am back from my appointment and this is how it looks so far. I am going to be going in about 2 weeks to get a touch-up, and I'm going to be taking you guys along the experience when we put in the full syringe so you guys can see the final result of my lip. So we are starting this vlog off once again. It is 2 weeks later. As you guys can see my lips. As you can see the lips have went down, but today I'm going to be injecting. So let's go head over to Laser Weight and meet Mario there because he's joining me as well. I made it with Mario. We couldn't find each other, which was hella hilarious. We were on two different sides of the world basically.
Yeah, I've never been here, so I don't know where the fuck.
Yeah, it's his first time, but we're on our way to Laser Away. I'm about 20 minutes late. I'm so sorry, but let's see what we get into.
We almost fucking fell.
Oh, it looked right. Oh my god, there goes the people that was looking at us. Have to wait about 30 minutes to an hour to get my lips done because we're running late, so you gotta, you know, pay the consequences. But girl, we about to smoke a blizzy. You know the motherfucking drill.
Hold up. Her chin. She looked like a frog right there, and then boom, she
got a giggle on her. So we are here. I got my numbing cream on. As you guys know, you have to wait about 20-30 minutes before you get injected. But me and Mario are just chilling. They didn't give us hot coffee or have the TV on watching Real Housewives like the last time I was here. But
hot coffee.
they give Mama hot coffee, girl.
I want some. I was looking at the coffee machine too when we walked in.
I mean, you can do that yourself.
But I don't know how.
They didn't give us that. But our lips, me and my lips are now. Giving you a little schoolgirl. Wait. Giving you a little schoolgirl tease.
Wait, your brow tag.
Real bitches help real bitches.
Good. Tell me if it's painful. How's that? Good. Any pain? Do you want the top lip to be a little bit like volumized?
Oh
like
yeah.
up?
Yeah, higher up.
Yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna put you flat. The way I inject, I do little punctures and it really gives you that volume because I see that this side tends to drop down a little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it
Yeah, right there.
at the
You got it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
lay back down.
Hold up.
Ooh. That one just made my eyes water a little bit more than the first time.
Yeah. Because I give you too many punctures on the top. But look how pretty the top looks. It just looks like
Even
it's
from
lifted
this
up.
angle. Yeah, my Cupid's bow. It gives me that point.
Yes. And go from the other side and that's it, okay? Last poke. I apologize for all this pain that I'm causing you today. Sorry. Right now, pulsating, nothing crazy, right?
Y'all, they got fucking BTS dolls. Like, they don't look like them, but they're fucking BTS dolls. We got V right here, and we got Jin right here. And look, I got my bag on me right now. Quit playing. You look Korean.
They do.
Look at that face.
V. I think this store is called Pop Culture, right?
Yeah. And bitch, they got more BTS merch.
How you feeling about the BTS merch?
They got fucking Dragon Ball Z.
To listen to them.
Giving very much schoolgirl vibes. Mario is giving very much behavior school, you know, outfit vibes. We live for that. Oh, our day is coming to an end. We're about to leave town square. My lips are still swollen. I couldn't even drink the coffee bean that Mario had got. But look at this chain. Look at that shit. It look heavy as shit though.
Bitch, it is. It's hella heavy.
I want to try it on, guys.
Wait, I need to look for my Uber.
This is me and Mario's Uber. I'm gonna see him soon, probably before my birthday, but I love you so much.
I love you.
I'm gonna see him soon. I know. Look where we're at.
But yeah, I have to see you before your birthday.
But I'm gonna catch my Uber right now. I'll catch you guys once I get home and talk more about my